Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to use and create a plain URL. This is a simple redirect link for your Amazon listing without a super URL. Use this redirect to tag clicks with your retargeting pixel or simply to track click data. You can find this link at the bottom of the page in our archive tools. With that being said, let's create one. Now the first thing that we will do is give a name to our link. We're entering coffee machine. In the configuration section, we will select the marketplace, in our case the United States. Next, we will add the AC number, which we're taking directly from the marketplace. Additionally, you can add your Amazon attribution tag in this section. In the next section, you can add a tracking code, add your link to one of your campaigns, toggle on or off these options for further link customization, and use a custom domain if you have one available. You can also activate the link expiration settings for when your link expires, and finally add the information for your social media thumbnail. Once everything is done, simply click on Generate Tracking Link. And here we have our plain URL. Remember that you can edit the back half of each link so it can mention your product, brand, or keyword. Download a QR code that leads to your link and edit the settings if you want to change something. And that should do it for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.